metaphase 1. In this stage, the chromosome moves towards the center, okay, equator, and finally it is in the center of that cell. Okay, you see that this is the metaphase. Here, the two chromatids of each chromosome do not separate. Okay, the two chromatids of each chromosome do not separate. The centrosome also not divided. The centrosome also not divided. You see that all this joined together. Okay, then next one is that anaphase. Okay, anaphase, that each homologous chromosomes with its two chromatids and undivided centromere move towards the opposite pole. Here it is in the equator, but here in the opposite pole. Okay, yeah. This stage of the chromosome is called dyad. So this is called what, ma? Dyad. Okay. Then the telophase. In the telophase 1, that haploid number of chromosome after reaching their respective poles, and the respective poles anaphase la idha achilama. அதுக்கப்புறம் after that it becomes uncoiled. Now you see that it is uncoiled. Okay, so it is uncoiled and elongated. Uncoiled and elongated. Here that nuclear membrane and that nucleolus reappear. Just you see that here there is no nuclear membrane, nucleolus, but you see that here nuclear membrane and nucleolus and reappear. Okay, do you understand that? Yes. And thus two daughter nucleus are formed. ஆகவே ரெண்டு daughter nucleus என்ன ஆகுது? ஃபார்ம் ஆயிடுது. Okay. Next cytokinesis. Next என்னதுமா? Cytokinesis. So that cytoplasm division. So cytoplasm division occur. In that two haploid cells are formed. So cytoplasm division occurred, then only two haploid cells are formed. Okay, this is the heterotypic division. So it is over. Next we see that homotypic division. Next we see that homotypic division. Okay, ma. Homotypic division. So in this homotypic division, the two haploid cells forming in that first meiotic division, it is divide. First meiotic division is divide into four haploid cells. So first meiotic division la form irundha the two haploid cells, now it becomes divide into four haploid cells. Okay, yes. In this, daughter cells are similar to parent cells in the chromosome. So daughter cells are similar எதை போல இருக்கும்? Parent cell போல. Then only it is called a homotypic. Okay, so it consists of 5 stages. Okay, this homotypic division consists of 5 stages, that is prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2 and cytokinesis 2. Okay, so first we see that prophase 2. In this prophase 2, the centrioles divides into 2. Centrioles divide aguduma 2. Okay, and each one moves to the opposite pole, and each one moves to the opposite pole. Each one moves to the opposite pole. In this stage, that aster and spindle fibers are appear. Aster and the spindle fibers la idhula enna seyyum? Appear agum. Okay, yeah? Do you understand that? Yes. Then that nuclear membrane and nucleolus are and disappear. Okay, so see that nuclear membrane, nucleolus here disappear. You see that. That metaphase 2, that chromosomes arranged in that equator. The chromosome is arranged in that equator. Okay. So that then only that two chromatids are separated. The two chromatids are separated. Okay. Then anaphase 2, the separated chromatids becomes daughter chromosome. அதிலிருந்து பிரிஞ்ச அந்த chromatids வந்து எதை உருவாகுது? Daughter chromosomes. Okay ma, daughter chromosomes. So in this daughter chromosomes move into that opposite pole. Daughter chromosome move into that opposite poles. So the next one is the telophase, that is to the daughter chromosome are centered. The daughter chromosome are centered, nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear. Here there is no nuclear membrane nucleolus, but you see it is that nuclear membrane and nucleolus are reappear. Okay, then cytokinesis 2. In this cell, 2 cells are formed from each haploid daughter cell. 2 cells are other 2 daughter cells are formed. Each daughter cell formed 2, and from the 2 cells are formed in each ஒவ்வொரு daughter cell இருந்து 2 cells என்ன செய்யுது ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. So resulting in the formation of how many cells? 4 cells. 1 2 3 4. Okay, the 2 1 each daughter cells produced 2 cells, that is 4 daughter cells are formed. Okay, but in that with haploid number of chromosome, ana number of chromosome enna irukum? Haploid. Okay, haploid. Okay, then the significance of meiosis, that number of chromosome is given in the species is maintained by meiotic division. The meiotic division ala chromosome number வந்து என்ன செய்யுது? அப்படியே மெயின்டைன் பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகே, இந்த டிவிஷன். Next we see that difference of meiosis and mitosis cell division. Meiosis and mitosis cell division. Can you tell that difference? Just you recall. Okay, so first one, that mitosis division occur in somatic. Somatic means body cell. Somatic means what ma? Body cells. Then meiosis division only occurred in reproductive cells. Reproductive, no, sex cells, like that. Okay, then it involved in that growth continuously throughout that life. அதாவது இந்த டிவிஷன் வந்து இந்த growth எதெல்லாம் இன்வால்மெண்ட் இருக்குன்னா growth and also continuous in that life full. But in that meiosis involved in gamete formation only. எப்போ gamete formation involve ஆகுதோ அப்போ மட்டும். Okay, so அப்போ reproductive stage. Then that mitosis is a single division, but meiosis is 2 divisions. Okay, you know that. Yes. Then mitosis, 2 diploid daughter cells are produced, but meiosis 4 haploid daughter cells are produced. Okay, then chromosome number in the daughter cell is similar to the parent cell, that is 2n in mitosis, but in meiosis that chromosome number is in daughter cell, it is just half of the parent cell. Parent cell la irundhu half ah korachirukku. Okay, 2n na n mattumda. Okay, then only that mitosis identical daughter cells are formed. அதாவது அதே daughter cells அப்படியே பேரண்ட்டை ஒத்து அப்படி இருக்கும். பட் ஹியர் இன் தட் மியோசிஸ் daughter cells are not similar to that parent cell and are randomly assorted. ஓகே, அப்படியே பேரண்ட் செல்லை மாதிரி என்ன செய்யாது, இருக்காது. அதே போல் அது மோஸ்ட்லி அது அப்படியே பரவலாக அதை என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, வகைப்படுத்தியிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவாம்மா? ஸோ that lesson is over. Next we see that question answer. Okay ma, next we see the question answer.